are rising, the air is being polluted, and there's too much waste being produced. We as humans should take all these signs, such as the rising temperatures and the rising sea levels, serious and do something about it. At least we need to try. It affects the rising sea levels and how it affects life on humans and animals on this earth.
The gases in the carbon dioxide warm the surface of our planet Earth naturally by trapping solar heat in Earth's atmosphere. Without this, the temperature on Earth would be too cold for us to live on. However, by burning fossil fuels such as coal, gases, and oil, we have dramatically increased the amount of carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere, which is causing the temperatures on Earth to rise. The forest clearing also play a big role in this increasing amount of the carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere. By burning or taking down big areas of trees, we don't only create more carbon that will go into the atmosphere, we are also destroying the only natural way that we can get rid of the too high carbon dioxide level in the air. Trees' natural task is to take out carbon dioxide from the air and turn it into oxygen for us people to breathe. If now we take down all the trees that usually clean the air, the carbon dioxide levels are going to rise and rise and rise.
The trees that we have still left standing have no chance of cleaning the air from all the carbon dioxide that we still create every day. With this, the temperatures are rising constantly. If we don't stop consuming and wasting soon, there will be no turning back from the disaster that is already starting to show very clearly.
The temperatures are rising, Earth is melting, causing the ocean levels to rise. Animals are starting to live in places that they couldn't have survived. In places where the temperatures usually don't fall under 20 degrees, it is starting to snow. Earth's climate is changing dramatically, and if we don't stop, the Earth could soon be a place of total chaos.
Hello and welcome. Today we'll be talking about the rising of sea levels
and about houses being flooded and carried away, leaving thousands of people homeless.
All around the planet, the sea levels are rising.
Yeah, that's right. And since the temperatures on Earth are rising, a lot of the ice in the poles is melting.
Right. And as soon as the ice melts, the water that comes from the ice flows down into the sea, causing the water to rise.
And that then causes coastal areas to flood. And well, all the water destroys houses. But we've thought of something to prevent this from happening.
This is a model of a flood-proof house.
The two sticks at the bottom are pillars that are dug deep into the ground, making the house stable so that if the water comes, it won't move. If the water is fine, the house is fine and it will just be normal. But as soon as the water rises and goes up and down, the house will go up and down with the water. Imagine my hand is the water. The house is bottom, the water is normal. But just say the water comes and pushes the house up. The pillars will be normal, but the house will be up, keeping it safe from any water. The shape of the house is also something that will prevent it from getting damaged in winds or if big waves come. Just in case waves come or wind comes, they will just flow over the thing and will have no surface to break anything.
Oh, can you take care of her? Oh, maybe you can spare her several moments of your consideration, leading up to the final destination. Oh, the earth is calling out. I wanna learn what it's all about, but everything I read is global warming, going green. I don't know what all this means, but it seems to be saying, wake up, America. Attention, can you give her just a little